Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Arif. In this video, we are going to make Desi chicken, and in order to do that, we have taken a wok, non-sticky wok, and in that we have included chicken with 3 glasses of water, the green pepper, salt, and the grounded spices, and we are now boiling it. Now after some time we have included the ginger garlic paste, about 2 spoons full of each in our this chicken, Desi chicken. So now we have included red pepper and turmeric and the vegetable oil in our chicken. Now since we have included the red pepper, the vegetable oil and turmeric, so we have to shake it frequently. Now our Desi chicken dish is ready, and we have made this in a wok, and in the end we can see that the reddish kind of a oil is on its surface, and this looks really beautiful.